See, in the second sum, we have to you have to prove that collinear. If you want to prove collinear, DE and EF or both any type, you have to take you have to take the slopes. If the slopes are equal, that means the lines are collinear. If the slopes are equal, the lines are collinear points. So I can say slope of DE. DE, that means E minus, this is Y2. It is clearly stated. And the formula is only one. Slope is equal to Y2 minus Y1 upon X2. That is coordinate of second minus, this will become 3 minus minus plus 3 minus minus plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Hence it is 1. Slope is 1. Minus minus plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 cancel 1. Similarly, slope of EF. EF means F minus E. That is Y2 minus Y1. 1 minus 0 upon 2 minus 1. That is 1 upon 1. Slope is 1. Slope of DE, I can write slope of DE is equal to slope of EF. अभी दोनों का स्लोप सेम है, दैट मीन्स बोथ द स्लोप्स आर सेम, देयरफॉर पॉइंट्स D, E and F are collinear. That means whenever you solve the sums, if you get the slopes and if the slopes are equal, the lines or the points are collinear. If you do not get the slopes equal, that means they are non-collinear. Various sums are there, you have to solve each and every. Over here for the fourth sum, ABC triangle has been given. Various values has been given. They have told to find the slopes. You can write same way. I can write slope of AB will be B minus A. That is 4 minus minus 1, 0 minus 1. This will become 5 upon minus 1. So answer is minus 5. How? Minus minus plus. So 4 plus 1, 5. And 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So you will get minus 5. See, the slope of AB is minus 5. Since it is a triangle, their slopes will not be equal. So find out the different slopes and see whether what are the slopes coming. So I have found for AB, you should find for BC and AC. Write the slopes and solve it. Various sums you have to solve, which I am doing. In fifth sum, A, B, C and D. 4 points are given and we have to prove that it is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. If the slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. Or if the lines are parallel, that means the slopes are equal. So I will give a diagrammatic representation where I will write A, B, C, D. Find the slope of AB. AB will become how much? 2 minus minus 7 upon minus 1 minus minus 4. I will get this as 2 plus 7 minus 1 plus 4. The whole value will become 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 minus 1 I will get 3. Answer will become 3 3s are 9. So slope of AB is 3. Make this statement as 1. Opposite to AB is CD. Let X slope of CD. CD, that means B minus C. A, B, C, D, C, D. This will become minus 4 minus 5. 5 minus 8, that is minus 9 upon minus 3. I will get this slope as 3. Make this statement as 2. Minus minus plus. 5 plus 4, 9. Sign of the greater number. Hence it is minus. Plus minus minus. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Sign of the greater number. Hence minus. So minus 9 upon minus 3 is equal to 3. Since these slope are equal, that means I can write AB is parallel to CD. Slope AB is equal to slope CD. Therefore, or right side AB is parallel to side CD. This is the first part. Next, similarly, side AB and slope AB and slope CD has been equal to. We have got side AB is parallel to side AB is parallel to side CD. Same solve for AB is parallel to CD. Same solve for AD and BC. Solve for AD and BC. Same method and write from third and sixth, fifth, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. From 3 and 6, we'll get this or write differently. You can see this same sum in the solved example. It has been given. That way also you can solve various methods and solve by this. So over here, slope AD. Let's say slope AD. Slope AD will be -4 minus 7. 5 minus 4 is equal to -4 plus 7 upon 5 plus 4. That is, I will get this as 3 upon 9. That is 1 by 3. Make this statement as 4. Next, slope of BC. BC can be written as BC. C to 8 minus 1. This will become 3 minus plus. So 9. This is 1 upon 3. Make this statement as 5. Like this over here also I can write. Slope AD is equal to slope BC. Therefore, side AD is parallel to side BC. Make this statement as 6. Third and 6. So I can write the last statement from 3 and 6, AB, CD. Therefore, quadrilateral A, B, CD is a parallelogram from 3 and 6. With this way, we can conclude the sum.